Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. Welcome aboard this brand new 355 Scout LXF. This boat is awesome. Rear folding seat, dive door, big comfortable aft-facing seat. Boat's equipped with SeaKeeper gyro. The helm of this boat is absolutely fantastic. This particular boat has a unique upgrade with a carbon fiber steering wheel. Does have dual Garmin GPS fish finder screens along with Mercury joystick. Fantastic stereo setup. Very well configured boat. Has the bolster / normal seating configuration where you can flip up the front of the seat and it acts as a bolster so you can stand, or it drops down and gives you a comfortable seat with a backrest. So we move forward in this boat. Has a great big sun lounger, very comfortable forward seating configuration with a table that goes up and down. That cushion is removable so you can have a big casting platform for fishing, or you can enjoy the day with the family at the sandbar with the cushion in and the whole front section filled in. Boat has a wonderful cabin in it for its size. Marine toilet, shower, nice sleeping area. And for those of you that have to have that television for watching a game on a Sunday, it's got one in it. Alright, to get out and ride this boat, which is really the telltale of it, you gotta get out and ride this boat. It's an amazing riding, driving, performing boat. To do that, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.